You can actually reboot your entire digestive system with just one simple ingredient from your kitchen. Let me explain. I'm talking about the gelatin trick, a daily ritual that's been a game changer for so many people. It's amazing how something as basic as gelatin can have such a profound impact on our overall wellness. When you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you start to notice subtle, yet significant changes. Your energy levels stabilize, your skin looks clearer, and you wake up feeling more refreshed. It's not about following some fancy recipe or buying expensive supplements. It's just about using a simple ingredient like gelatin to create a gentle, soothing drink that works wonders for your insides. For example, my friend started doing the gelatin trick every morning, mixing it with warm water and a squeeze of lemon juice, and she noticed a huge difference in how she felt throughout the day. She had more energy, her digestive issues started to clear up, and she even noticed her hair and nails growing stronger. If you want to give the gelatin trick a try, I've got you covered. Check out the link in my description for a super easy recipe to get you started. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some valuable tips on how to make the gelatin trick work best for you. Now, go ahead and give the gelatin trick a shot and see how it can transform your daily life.